Months of the year. Hi there, my friend. Good to see you. You came just in time. I am going to go see some hard-working trains. Hop in and let's go look at them together. There they are. Do you see them? Look at those gorgeous trains. These 12 trains are called month trains, and each has a unique name. Come, my friend, let's go see all the trains. This is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and last but not least, December. When these 12 months get together, they make 1 year. Looks like January train is getting loaded and ready to start the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now you know the months of the year. Well, that is it for now. Oh, don't worry. I'll be back super soon. Just taking a quick tea break and then I will be refreshed and ready to go. Thank you for watching, my friend. Never stop learning and stay well.